to find watch later playlist on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find watch later playlist on YouTube. So first of all, just open up your YouTube account, and over here on the search bar, whatever that you want to see and watch it later on. For example, I'm searching for song playlist, any random playlist I'm showing you for a tutorial. So for example, this is the song that I want to watch later on. First of all, just simply click on the video itself, and after that just simply click on save, and once the video is saved, just simply click on new playlist, and you can add the name for the playlist and click on create. And once this is done, just simply come back to your profile section, and under the playlist section and in the watch later, you will be able to see this particular watch list which has added into your watch later section. So this is basically how you will be able to find watch later playlist on YouTube. I hope you find this video to be helpful.